Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of managing who can add you to groups on the Botim app. This feature is essential for maintaining your privacy and ensuring that only trusted contacts can include you in group chats. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. After that, tap on Groups to access the group privacy settings. Now, you'll see three options. Everyone. Any user can add you to a group. My Contacts. Only users saved in your contacts can add you. My Contacts, except choose specific contacts who cannot add you to groups. Finally, select the option that best suits your preference to control who can add you to groups. By adjusting these settings, you can have greater control over your group invitations on Botim. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.